Upon login to ComPortal as an administrator, you will see a menu of services providing access to many features and services that can be modified. To modify a service, click the associated link. For example, to modify users, click the Users link to make updates to users you are assigned to and make changes to their accounts, reset passwords, and update user profiles. Additionally, the menu on the left gives you access to these features, including all the lines associated with your account. The user link displays all the lines and users associated with your business group. It also provides administrative control over the users in your business group. Search for specific users in the Search For field by the number, extension, name, or department. Click the Actions menu. The Actions menu allows you to view individual line settings, reset the line, or unlock the account. To view the line settings, click the Actions drop-down and click View Individual Settings. Click the View Account Settings. From here, you can edit individual line settings, account password information, voicemail PIN reset, and devices assigned to the user. In addition to your ComPortal account password, each user with a voicemail box is provided a call services PIN, which is used to access their voicemail box and other features through the telephone interface, or TUI. To reset a user's account password or voicemail PIN, select the line to modify, and from the Actions menu, select View Individual Settings. Then, click the View Account Settings. To reset the user's account password, click the Change Password link. Enter the new password, then confirm the new password, and click Confirm. To reset the user's call services PIN, click the Change Voicemail PIN link. Enter the new PIN, then click Confirm. To return back to the main portal, close the window for that line. To create administrators or sub-administrators for the business group, from the Users tab, click Actions, then Edit Personal Details. From the Admin drop-down, select the department to add this user as an admin to. Click Save. Easy Attendants are used to route calls to various destinations, employees within your company, specific groups of employees, voicemail, or announcement messages, without the assistance of an operator or receptionist. They also provide callers with your company greeting and dialing menu options. Each Easy Attendant is assigned a unique 10-digit number for identification and setup purposes. The Easy Attendant has two modes, one for business hours and the other for after hours. Each mode allows you to set up options 1 through 9, pound, and star to present callers with different choices from which to select. To modify your Easy Attendant from the Attendants page, select the Easy Attendant line. From the Actions drop-down menu, select View Attendant Settings, then Open Attendant Settings. To route calls based on the time of day, for example, after hours versus traditional business hours, you must configure a schedule. Click the Schedule link. Next, select to start with an example schedule. Select the cells that represent your business hours. For example, Monday through Friday, 9 till 5:30. Then click Apply. Next, configure your business hours menu and greetings. Click the Business Hours menu tab. Here, you can configure the destination that callers will reach once they press the corresponding buttons on their dial pad, options 1 through 9 and 0. The destination options are available from the drop-down menu. They include Play Announcement, Transfer to Phone, Transfer to Voicemail, Dial by Extension, and Dial by Name. Once you select an option, you must configure the final destination. For example, to transfer option 3 to a user's phone, a hunt group, or another easy attendant, select Transfer to Phone and enter the number or partial number of the user, hunt group, or easy attendant. To enable callers to dial by name, select the Dial by Name option. Note, users must have their name recorded in order to be found in the Dial by Name directory. Once you have configured all of your business hours menu options, you must record the business hours greeting to match to those options. To record your greeting, click here. If you have a microphone on your computer, you can simply begin recording your message. Click Record to start. If you do not have a microphone on your computer, you can record your greeting from your phone. Repeat these steps for your non-business hours menu. Start by clicking on the Non-Business Hours menu tab. When finished, click the Main button. Then click Turn On to enable this easy attendant. To add a department, click the Departments tab. Then click Add Department. Enter the department name and, if applicable, the parent department. To assign users to the department, click the Lines tab. Select the users to add. Then, from the drop-down menu, select the department to move them to. Finally, click Move to add those users to the department. The Extensions page shows all the extensions currently in operation in a business group. An extension allows users to quickly dial another number within the business group without having to dial the full telephone number. To change extensions, click Add from the Extensions tab. Enter the extension number you wish to create and enter the phone number that the extension maps to. Click the Add button. To add a range of extensions, click the Add Range button. Enter the range of extensions you wish to create. Enter the first telephone number that the range of extensions maps to. Click the Add button. Thank you for viewing the Business Group Administrator tutorial.